Hello students, today we will discuss about local maxima and local minima related to exercise 16.3. For local maxima and local minima we have two types of test. One is first derivative test and second is second derivative test. And in exercise 16.3 you will solve local maxima and local minima with the help of first derivative test. And in exercise 16.4 you will solve the questions related to local maxima and minima by second derivative test. And in this in your exam it will be given that you will find out local maxima and local minima with the help of first derivative test or second derivative test. Now first of all we will discuss first derivative test, a question related to exercise 16.3. Now I am taking here question number 4 from exercise 16.3. We have statement is fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. Now it's a solution. First of all write down we have fx is x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. Now it's a first step. Find out first of all derivative of given function. Now its derivative is 3x square minus 12x plus 9. Now second step, by taking derivative is equal to 0, you will find out its turning point. Now we have two turning point, one is 3 and second is 1. Now in your statement no any condition is given, like question number 3 it is given you will choose only values greater than 0, but in question number 4 it is not given. So we will take both values 3 and 1 and that belong to real number. So it means f dash x is defined for all values of real number, means both 1 and 3. It means the possible point for local maximum and local minimum is 3 and 1. Now first of all by taking x is equal to 3 we will find out this criteria. You will find out now you will find out at which point mean at 3 or at 1, at which point from these two you get the value of local maxima and local minima. Now by taking first of all at x is equal to 3. Now it is a rule to find out local maxima and minima. You have to do these two things. First, for the values of x, means for the value of x equal to 3, slightly less than 3. Always you will take first of all less than, not more than. First of all less than 3. We have f dash x. Less than 3 it means you can take here value 2. Less than 3 mean you can do some rough work. Less than 3 mean previous value is 2. Now you will substitute this value 2 in your derivative. Derivative is 3x square. So it will be 3 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 9. Substitute this 2 in your respective derivative and you will get minus 3. So here we have we have sign of 3 is negative. Now write down here negative sign. Similarly you will find out value of x slightly more than 3. For more than 3 you will take here x is equal to 4 and again you will substitute this value in your respective derivative and you will get a positive value. So its sign is positive. And if we have sign varying from minus to positive, it means we will get local minimum value, and if it will varies from positive to negative then it will be maximum value. We have 2 points only. If our signs are varying from negative to positive then it will be minimum, and if it varying from positive to negative then it will be maximum. Now after this you can write down, hence by first derivative test fx has local minimum because it varying from negative to positive. If it is negative to varying from negative to positive, it mean minimum, and from positive to negative, maximum. Local minimum at which point? X equal to 3. Now after this you will find out its local minimum value. Now local minimum value mean you will substitute the value of x equal to 3 in your given statement. We have statement is fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. ना यहाँ पे x की जगह आप 3 fill कर दोगे and you will get the value of f of 3 is 50. That is the local minimum value. Similarly for point x equal to 1, firstly for less than 1 you can take 0, and after substituting in your derivative 0, 3 into 0 0 minus 12 into 0 0 plus 9, and we will get 9 is positive, so its sign will be positive. For x more than 1 you can take 2. After substituting 2 in this equation, like similarly this, you will get a negative value, so its answer will be negative. Now in this your signs varying from positive to negative. For positive to negative it will be maximum. Hence by first derivative test fx has local maximum at x equal to 1, and local maximum value you will substitute x equal to 1 in your given statement, and you will find out local maximum value is 90. Similarly you can solve other question like this method. Criteria is same for all the question, but again if you have any doubt regarding any step you can ask from me.